Hi everyone, in this video we will explain some functions related with the string. So as you can see, this is for example variable name equal to Hassan. This is my name. There are a lot of properties and functions, built-in properties and function we can use it with a string. So for example, just type name dot and then we can use any property or function. So for example, is empty is a property used to check if this variable contain a value or not. So now, is this variable is empty? The result is false. The second property is not empty. So is the variable is not empty? The result is true. So the result here is a Boolean value. Now also, there are a lot of built-in functions. So the first function is to lowercase. Name dot to lowercase, which means convert this name to a lowercase. So as you can see, it returns a string. So it returns another string. This name converted to a lowercase, as you can see. Also to uppercase, used to convert the name to the uppercase. Used to convert each character in the text or in the string to uppercase. Also, this function returns a Boolean. This is a question. Is this variable contains this part? So is Hassan contain this part? The answer is yes. So the answer is true. Also, the replacement function. So we have three functions to replace a part with another part. Replace range and replace first and replace all. So now the first function, replace range, replace the range from 0 to 2 with Ali, with another part or another name. So now from 0 to 2, this is number 0, this is number 1, this is number 2. But excluding the last number. So which mean number 0 and number 1 only. So this part replaced with Ali. So as you can see, Ali and then son. Also replace first function, replace a character A with Ali. But replace first means replace only the first A character. So this is the first A character. Replace only this by Ali. So as you can see, H and then Ali and then son. Also the replace all function. So replace all A character with Ali. So now this A replaced with Ali and this A replaced with Ali. So as you can see, H and then Ali and then SS and then Ali and then N. Another part is, for example, if we have a text equal to this Hassan. So there are a lot of spaces and a lot of hats. Okay. So the first function we want to apply on it is split. We can split this string by the hash character and store the value inside another variable, which called, for example, v1, and then print the v1. So the result is Hassan as a list of string. Now last topic, we will explain it in detail in a separate lesson. So now, no matter what is the list. Also, for example, v1.join. So we can join the v1, which is a list of character or list of string, join it also with a hash and store the value or returned value, which is string, inside another variable which called v2. And then if we print v2, it returns to the original value. So this is v2. So when we need to convert from string to list of string, we use a split. And if we want to convert a list of string to a string, we use a join function. Also, we can, for example, replace all. So replace all hash with an empty. This means remove all hash. So this is another way to remove some character. We can use replace all and replacing all the character we don't need with a empty. So now it remove all these hash. Also, we can combine two or more function at the same time. So for example, v2.replace all and also v2.trim. So we can combine all these two functions. So first, we want to replace this hash with an empty, and also we want to trim these hash. So trim function is used to remove all spaces or remove all empty. So now this will removed by a trim function, and these hash will remove by replace all function. So now the result is Hassan. Also, the final one, text.trim. So now this text.trim. Trim mean remove all spaces. So as you can see, the result is Hassan with a hash.